Hi, good evening. Today is the 3rd of October 2020. Today is Saturday and the time now is 7:11 in the afternoon or evening. So this is what I've done today. I removed the blackout on this clean out. I can't remove this because it might damage. So I also put the or lay the exterior formworks. This is for subsoil drain installation, and that one there. So Monday, because tomorrow I'm not working, Monday gonna put the inner formworks, and possibly I gonna pour it on Monday as well. It's weather permitted. So I have damaged this corner here because still wet, but I gonna fix it when I pour this partition between the subsoil drain and stormwater drainage channel. Alright, it's quite tedious work because there's a lot of details involved on this particular areas, especially the clean out, subsoil drain, and after that I need to put some bedding on this side here. I gotta put stones. So yeah, there's a lot of details on this area here. That's why it takes a while before it completes. Yeah, and on Monday I'm gonna remove these forms as well. Alright, so far so good. This is what I pulled yesterday. So I removed the formworks, but there's a bit slight damage there. Anyway, that will be covered when I pour concrete on this area. So we gotta pour concrete from this end up all the way through. Yeah, that's the plan. Alright, I hope you like my short presentation of this concrete footpath construction. It won't be long, this will be completed. Yeah, because my son gonna use this on his birthday to put his barbecue stand in this area to make more space on their deck. As you can see, that's their deck, and they're gonna put this barbecue stand in this area here. Alright, okay, I think that's all I can say for today. It's nice, bright, sunny day. Alright, good night and have a nice day. God bless you. Please be safe and bye for now.